Okay, man. So what I'm going to do here is show you how to get into your course, how to get to your assignments, and then how to submit an assignment. So the first thing we're going to do is go up to these three lines, click on it. Then we're going to go to where it says lessons and click. Once we're in lessons, you are in the first lesson. So we are going to click on that first lesson, and we're going to click on Module 1 Introduction. This is going to be your actual lesson. So you're going to read through these. This is going to show you what you should be doing and how to do it. This is going to give you your information. As you read through, take your notes. You're going to keep going through. You're going to follow the directions. Get to your Career Shines website, create an account, follow the directions exactly. Your lab facilitator, she will help you if you need help. You just have to ask. Your assignment for this one is just to create that Career Shines account. We're going to keep going through. We're going to do the assignment, which is to fill out all these. Now, this is where your actual assignment comes into play. If you look down here at the bottom, we have questions and it's highlighted. So we're going to click on the questions, and here are the questions that you're supposed to be answering. So what we're going to do now is we're going to highlight all of these questions, two-finger click, and copy. So we're going to copy everything. Then we're going to go to Word, open up a new document, two-finger click again, then we're going to paste. And here are your questions. So what you're going to do then is you're going to go in here. You're going to fill in all of the answers based on what the questions are. You're then going to go up to File, Save As, and you're going to save it as I believe. Let's go back and double check. This is assignment 1.02. So we're going to save it as 1.02. We're going to want to save that on our desktop, so save it there. Once that's all done and you've got all your answers in and you've got it saved, we're going to quit Word. We've got our objective complete. We're then going to go into assessments. Once we've got it completely finished, click on assessments. Our first assessment is getting to know your interest. You're going to click on that. Once you've clicked on that, you're going to be in here. You're going to do the optional file upload. So we're going to click to upload the file. So we're going to click here, add files. We're going to find the files on our desktop, which was 1.02. We're going to double click on that. That file has now been added. We're going to put a check mark in Submit for Grading, and then you're going to click Submit for Grading. Once that's done, it's going to send that information to me. I'll then grade it, give you comments, and send it back to you. This should give you all the directions that you need in order to complete your assignment. All of the assignments are similar in this manner. If you have questions, show this video to your lab facilitator and ask her to help you walk through